Hey everyone! So today is day 13 of 2 weeks of techniques. Today we are going to do a tree ring pour. This paint will not have silicone in it. So these are some old paints that I had mixed up with no silicone. We will probably get a few cells because of the white, but other than that we should not. I'm not going to spray the cup either. And we're going to get started. So I'm going to start with some white. This is Creative Inspirations Titanium White. And I think I'll follow that with some green. I don't have a lot of colors without silicone, so we'll use them up. Oops. And I'm going to put a little bit of black there. That's the Lamp Black from Creative Inspirations. And I think I'll follow that with the Sky Blue. These are all Creative Inspiration paints. And then we'll go with some Phthalo Blue. And I'll go back with some white. And I think I will go with the green. Sometimes I like to mix it up a little bit. Let's put some sky blue there. And then some black. And some phthalo blue. Some white. And green. Some black. Some sky blue. And some phthalo blue. That should be enough paint to cover my canvas. Always pinch my cup. And now we're going to make circles so that we get a tree ring. Look at all the cells with no silicone. Okay. I'm sure it's the Floetrol. And of course the white. So we're just going to move it around. Look at all those cells, my goodness. If you hear a puppy barking in the background, that's Mr. Arthur. He's outside. He barks at the wind. And on my last video, you heard Eddie. They are very vocal. No one could sneak into my house. Okay, we'll take that last corner. There we go. So we do have our layers of rings, and that's just from circling the cup. And that's how you get your tree ring effect. I love the colors. I almost want to torch this. But it's weird because I have no silicone, but yet I have the little dips of pockets, I call them, from the silicone. But I know there's none in any of those. Almost got a cloud effect going there. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a torch. Just to pop the air bubbles. And that's going to be it for that one. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook, our Parage Posse group. You can post pictures of your work there or get help there if you're just starting out. It's a great place to be. Check out my Christina Welch art page on Facebook as well. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have the pads and everything, the torches. Anything that you need for pouring is there in my shop. If you're looking at purchasing paintings, I have them in my Etsy shop. And our fan mail post office box address is below if you want to send us a gadget to pour on. We are more than game. If you're looking for the resin code for art, Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat resin, that code is below for $10 off a $95 order. And the paint mixing videos are down below this video. If you're on your iPad, just hit the little arrow. And everything is there that you'll need to know how we mix paint. And if you want to use silicone or not, that's up to you. But it's all explained in the video as well. And the base paint video is below as well. So thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow on day 14. Bye now.